these online calls. And when people join in, we don't know what they're doing. They can turn off their camera, start tapping on their screen, or maybe even play video games. And this happens in almost every single meeting. We suspect that some of our participants are playing video games. But there's no knowing what is the reality. This is where my unique thought comes into play. How about online meetings can give you an option of looking at other people's screens so that you know the truth. Likewise, they give you an option to mute other people and to turn off other people's cameras. What do you think of this unique thought? Do you like it? And if you haven't guessed, welcome to the Perspective Building Workshop specialized for you. So you can get your unique thought just by monitoring your day-to-day surroundings. But this time, I found my unique thought by monitoring non-academics meetings. So what about you? I'm waiting on your unique thoughts about non-academic. And if I can just monitor non-academics meetings, I'm sure you can too. Bye, and thank you for watching.